Okay, so you can try this if you were able to play along with me just now. You can try this along with the original video. I'll put that in the description. This is from the Moscow Kirtan Mela. So the mantra is actually quite simple. If you have purchased our book, this mantra is based on Hat Sadhana number 4 of the book. So it's actually the 4th mantra in the book that you can learn. So you should have the book as well, so that you can understand how to play this beat. So if you know number 4 goes ti, ki, ta, ki, tere, kheta, kheta, ta, ki, tere, kheta. So all the K, everything on the big side is all K, it's all closed. But what if you did it once, you do it open and then close? So you do, instead of going ti, ki, you do ti, ki, ta, ki, tere, ghena, kheta, ta, ki, tere, ghena. And then you do it all closed, just like number 4. Ti, ki, ta, ki, tere, kheta, kheta, ta, ki, tere, kheta. Like that. So you alternate between open and closed. And this ends up becoming a Kirtan mantra, which is in a category known as Rela, which is based, it was named after the train. It's a train sound. It sounds like a train. It has like a little roll to it. So that's the mantra. Okay? So you can see the mantra written out in the description. Again, it's based on Hat Sadhana 4 from our book. So once you've practiced it, give it a try in the video, rewind to the beginning of this video, and then try it in the original video. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.